Here at iDC, we work with leading vendors across various markets, food and beverage, retail, consumer electronics, and many more, to effectively deliver their products to their customer in a smart, efficient, cost-effective way. So one of the problems that we were facing was we would get reports of units either damaged or misconfigured. They would need to get shipped over to our IT department, and that really affected our bottom line. Another issue is the lack of remote abilities and capabilities for our surrounding teams. If there's an issue or a problem, it's a lot faster to resolve it when you can visually see it. Another problem that we were facing was our battery lives weren't lasting the entire shift. As one of our workers would do their daily functions, having to stop mid-workday to go back to get a battery was a lot of wasted time and energy. One of the other problems that we were facing was devices weren't checking in. Second shift was starting and they didn't have their handheld because it was lost in the warehouse. SOTI Mobi Control XS provides a solution for all of our problems. For example, X-Site Live View gives us the ability to see at any given moment where our devices are within our building. We can simply pull up Live View and not only track the timeline of our device to how it got to where it ended up, but we now can pinpoint exactly where it's at within our buildings. Also, X-Site provides the ability for metrics of our battery's life to ensure that those problematic batteries are removed from our environment. We can also project how long these batteries' lifespan will last for our units, and that helps us calculate overall total costs of what replacing those batteries would be. And also, the ability to remotely support our end units is crucial for our company. So your turnaround time went from days to a matter of minutes. Our provisioning process was drastically improved. Any of our operators have the ability to properly provision and get the correct configurations for their end units. And because we have that baseline attached to our provisioning, we now know that they're going to get the standard needed across all of our locations. It enhanced the turnaround time dramatically, as before provisioning would take days. Now, provisioning only lasts minutes. That's huge. We're not only saving time, energy, money, but a lot of frustration. No one wants to drive in traffic and no one wants to wait for their units so that they can properly do their job. Now, every worker has the ability to have the proper tools in their hands with their units, that the configurations are standard across the board, and that any configuration that we may need to do for any of our units can be done from a centralized location and spot. On a personal note, this has definitely enhanced my day-to-day work life. I no longer have to work on resolving problems, but now I can focus in on building different solutions and enhancing the environment for my end users and our customers. I don't have to fix, I can start to build, and that's huge.